PHP is a powerful scripted language. So what is PHP? PHP is an hypertext per processor. PHP is widely used open source scripted language. PHP scripts are executed on the server. PHP is free to download and as. So what is a PHP file? PHP files can contain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP code is executed on the server and the result is written to the browser as plain HTML. So PHP files can extension.php. Then what can PHP do? PHP can generate dynamic page content. PHP can create, open, read, write, delete and close files on the server. PHP can connect from data. PHP can send the receives cookies. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. PHP can be used to control user access. PHP can encrypt data. With PHP you are not limited to output HTML. You can output image or PDF files. You can also output any text such as XHTML and HTML. So why PHP? PHP runs on a variable platform: Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS X, etc. PHP is almost all the server used today. PHP support a widely range of database. PHP is free. Download it from a official PHP resource www.php.net. PHP is easy to learn and run efficiently on the server side. So what is a new in PHP 7? PHP 7 is much faster than previous PHP 5.6. So PHP 7 has improved error handling. PHP 7 support from function arrangement. PHP 7 support new operation for like spaceship operation, like that. Set up for PHP on your own PC. However, if your server does not support PHP, you must install a web server, install PHP, install database such as MySQL. The official PHP website php.net has installation instruction from PHP. So thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!